Hi everyone. Uh, so today I am going to cover this very specific issue. I believe very recently started this one, like cannot connect to any repository, and there may be earlier you are able to successfully push your changes into the repository, but now you are facing this kind of issue. This is just for a demonstration purpose. I'm demonstrating the kind of issue or something like when you are going to push cannot connect to any repository, git receive pack not permitted. Generally this kind of issue we face when the credential is not correctly updated while we are going to push and all. So this is the one aspect. Now let's understand what exactly the things that we supposed to do in order to resolve this issue. So you'll see just to brief about this is something one repository that I have, right? Okay, so this is something, some test code is there, right? And this is I try to replicate the same issue. So you'll see this is the something, this is the problem. I just want to confirm the credential which I am using here. You'll see like something when you are going to configure your push, then you can find when you are going to change. This is here something, the credential that you are going to put. And the credential I have entered are the exactly same. By using them, I am able to log it in. But we are failing in terms of pushing any of change. For example, let me replicate the same scenario again. For example, if I make some changes, okay, this is something, the changes that I have made. Now, oh, this is the file available in unstage area. So I'm going to add into the stage and some putting some comment and going to commit in locally and going to push these changes into GitHub. Okay, this is something, the problem is occurred while we never faced this kind of issue earlier. I believe nearly 2-3 days back I was successfully able to push my changes into the repository, but now I am facing. So the reason behind, just quick to the solution part, how you need to resolve this issue. So what you need to do, okay, you need to go to your first you need to log in obviously in your GitHub account, and then you'll find this setting. Click on the setting, right? And on the left hand side you'll see some menus, and here you'll find something like developer setting. So you need to click on this, and this is something like personal access token. This personal access token you need to generate, and this is mandatory now when you are going to push your code from any of tool to GitHub not allowing you to perform the action like check in your changes into the repository using your password. And earlier they were allowing, but this is now they are not allowing us in order to push the changes using the password that we are using while we are going to log in, right, the same one. So this is the link I have already created, right? So I can delete even. So let me, you need to create, you will see the option to create. Let me show you something. Okay, so here the password is something that I have. Okay. Okay, So regenerate the token is option is also available. We can regenerate even. So what you need to do while you are creating or even this will be good if I can um, even to delete the existing token, and let me show you uh, so let me delete. Okay, so generate the new token. This is the button. Note is mandatory and you need to put something, for example test, whatever you want. This is the expiration policy, whatever you want, 7 days or something, no expiration. Ideally the expectation from the GitHub is tied to set some specific timeline like 7 days and all, so the token to be expired. And next, this is the crucial one, repository. You are willing to activate this token for repository part in terms of check in or check out the code, obviously for the pushing the changes into the repository. So you need to select, at least for this section, full control of the private repository. Okay, and rest you can ignore. Generate the token. Okay, so this is something kind of token. Okay, that I'll delete later, just to this is I'm just using for demonstration purpose. Okay, I have just copied this by clicking here and going to configure the push configuration. Okay, this is something I'm going to change. Instead of password, I am going to add here a token, generated token. Okay, this is something I finish and save. Now let me push. Okay, let me push the changes. Sorry. Okay, this is the repository. I have to push to the branch master. Okay, this is something, preview and push. You'll see. Now this is successfully done. Okay, we are able to successfully push the changes. Okay, this is what the expectation, and this is what I was trying to explain you how to address the issue that you are facing, which is especially this one. Thank you. Hope this video will helpful for you in order to resolve this particular issue. Thank you.